Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
Blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan. I hope you all are in good spirits. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, me have to talk about this. When me tell you say me have to run out with this, me have to run right out with it. Waste minister come out and run off him out. Not water minister, waste minister. Because I pay waste then waste water. Pay waste then waste water. And I know so the people them of Jamaica need water. Alright? So listen to what this man here chat off him out say. The lack of adequate investments in Jamaica's water infrastructure may have led to low supply of the commodity and the inability to meet the demands of the population. My wisdom warriors, when you hear what Waste Minister come out and say, he come out and him say the lack of adequate investment in Jamaica's water infrastructure may have led to low supply of the commodity and the inability to meet the demands of the population. Okay. So this is the problem now. So this is the problem. Wait there. So how comes una pass? Listen, how comes una pass people with tank full of water? How comes una pass people with water and gone all the way at the hotel them? Una think so we don't know? Una think so we do not know? Yes, Minister. You think so we don't know what go on? Eh? You think so the people them at Jamaica don't know what go on? So how una supply hotel with water and the people them in the community not getting any water? Make it make sense. Make it make sense. Why una not fix the pipeline? Why una take out the pipe? Why una take out the pipe and say una fix it and all now una can't fix it? Why? Why una do all of that? Make it make sense. You think the people are fool? Waste Minister, you think the people are fool? Jamaican people is not an idiot. So when you're coming out and you run off your mouth and a chat shit, una say all along Ian Hales was telling the truth. My wisdom warriors, una say all along he was telling the truth. But my thing is, how come a hotel them and certain people is getting water and the people that live in the community is not getting it? How comes that? Come and explain to us. Come and explain to us. But me always tell the Jamaican people, say, don't be fooled. Andrew Holness administration only interested in a wealth. Remember, wanna see Edmund Bartlett come out as king off in 33. Remember, Headman Bartlett come out as skin off in 33, my viewers and subscribers, because them happy how much money they make, how much billions they make out of tourism. So, una think say we are fool. Una think say we don't know say una supply the hotel with water and all the people them in the community. I wonder when election come, if are the people them alone in the hotel I go vote for no. Hey, I wonder. You see, so una a real idiot, una a real dopey bat. Una real dopey bat. Me don't know where this Waste Minister come out a chat off him out. I could never water minister. This. This a man I no care about nobody. Una look on him good. Una look on him. This a man I no care about nobody, my wisdom warriors. This a man here. So when you hear Ian Hayes come out and attack, you feel love him making talk because of the truth. And he's standing up on the behalf of the Jamaican people, and he might talk up for the voiceless. And allow the man, make the man talk and talk truth. You understand? Because, listen, you know see what the man do? You know see what the man do? The man actually risking his life. The man actually risking his life for the Jamaican people. Something what the Jamaican people they not do for them own self. The man come out and do. So you know for rate him and respect him. You understand me? So me hear some little fool I go around and I talk about this and I talk about that. I talk about Ian Hales. Ian Hales corrupt in a corruption. Andrew Holness in a corruption. Ian Hales in a corruption for what? Taxpayer money? Who in a corruption for taxpayer money? Andrew Holness in a corruption for taxpayer money. Andrew Holness money on a chat about. Andrew Holness money you on a chat about. Where am I do with it? You know, come and declare asset. He doesn't come and declare his asset. He breached the law. He keep breaching the law over 3 years now. And nobody come out and say, shit, PSOJ no run out. G2000 no run out. I want them to them. I want them there. Uno say the people they need water too. G2000 PSOJ. Uno say the people they need water. Why uno no come out and talk about that? Uno know why? Because uno is a piece of shit. PSOJ is a private sector. They don't care. Hey, I want Jamaican people know you know. PSOJ is private sector of Jamaica. You don't know that in Jamaica. You don't know. So when private mean, private not free. Private not free. And at these people always depend on Andrew Holness side. And when Andrew Holness do the wrong, they now come out and say nothing about it. Nothing they come out and say. You understand me? So in this man come out and chat about water and whatever. And listen, brother. We don't rate Jamaican people. And a full time we don't feel lift up from out of the parliament. We don't want to hear nothing more from uno. We don't want to hear no excuses from uno no more. Uno need to just resign. You Matessa Moda, you need to lift up. You need to resign. You, Andrew Holness, Nigel Clark, Juliet, the whole lot of uno need to resign. Because uno don't have love for the Jamaican people. But my wisdom warriors, hear more. Waste Minister also come out and say how 2 main dams in Kingston are evidence of the slow developmental process. Which evidence? Which evidence? Come show with the evidence. Because pay chat on a chat off on the mouth. Come show with the evidence. What that have to do? What that have to do with the people in Westmoreland? Remember you have Roaring River. When you use Roaring River? Use Roaring River and supply the people them in Westmoreland. You can do that. Of course, you can't do that. But just because you don't want to kill off the people them one by one. Listen to me, my wisdom warriors. You know me already. Me talk raw. Me no business. Me have to talk truth. At that, because members say no. Members say water is life. Without water, you will suffer. You will die without water. So if these pricks come out now and limit us from drinking water, taking care of our health with the water, you understand me? And them a limit we. What you call them people here? Them people here feel lift up. Them are people here no mean we no good. Talk truth. Put it in the comment section and tell me if you don't agree with me. Them people here, all this and short neck man, I don't know where him come about, but him name water minister. Waste minister. A waste minister this. You understand? Him no give a shit about Jamaican people. He no give a shit, my wisdom warriors. And he go back and he say, how over $3 million US. You hear that? Over $3 million US. You know, listen good now. Over $3 million US has been allocated for repairing water infrastructure. And how long this go take? How long this go take? Up to 5 years. Hey, just pray and ask God Almighty to flood Jamaica with water. Uno pray. When I say flood, I don't mean flood for danger. I mean bless you with water. Bless you with rainwater. Make rain fall. Uno pray to God. Because if uno allow this government to get underneath uno skin, right, you think a mosquito go bite uno? No for uno go sick. No for uno go sick because uno can't get water. And anyway, uno see little water, uno go and drink it and bathe with it. You understand me? And we don't want it reach this. This is why I come out all the while and tell us if get rid of them. Get rid of them. Because if we never dare make nice, if the people they never dare make nice and a fight for their rights, if Ian Hayes never come out, see, Ian Hayes come out and a talk truth and a show up them dirty color and through them a get show up, see the man, they are threatening the man. People are threatening the man. Them something and a right, my wisdom warriors. This is why I don't understand the Jamaican people. When see somebody standing up for you, and then you go threaten the man. You make it make sense, brother. You make it make sense. You don't love your brothers and sisters again. What really are going? What's really going on in the country? You last? Are you guys a set of last sheep or what? Make it make sense, man. Seriously. Listen, one life we have, you know. One life we have. Remember, say life not sell a shop. Even though Andrew Holness are going like life sell a shop, life not sell a shop. You understand me? We have to take care of ourselves and take care of our health and take care of one another. You understand me? Because when push come to shove, una go need una brothers and sisters, you know. Remember me tell you know. You see, una not see nothing yet with Andrew Holness. Una not see nothing yet. Una stay there. Una not see nothing yet. Andrew just wait till Jamaica turn republic, and him a go teach you a lesson you will never forget. Listen, that time you go want me to come and talk. That time when I go remember me and say, boy, I thought for the person, used to say this and say that, Jaja, we shouldn't take telling, The real thing me I tell you, this is why I want to get up and stand up and do the right thing. Demonstrate, go out, protest against these things. Protest against Dottie Samuda. We have protest against him because that the man then no mean we no good. No good whatsoever. Anyway, wanna tell me how you feel about this and put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Here, this. My wisdom warriors. Wanna remember in the last video I was talking about Fix Jackson. Wanna remember? In the last video, I was talking about how Fix Jackson was the only politician that stand up in the House of Parliament. Stand up in the House of Parliament and a fight for the people them of Jamaica about their money that go missing. You remember? All right. Well, he come back out again and this is what he said because you see, Bank of Jamaica, them not do nothing to help the people. They not do nothing to help the people. This is why he bring it in a House of Parliament. And Nigel Clark not say nothing. He my finance minister. Him supposed to say something about it. Nothing. Andrew Worse, the wife was Sarah. So, you hear this. Opposition lawmaker says central bank was not assertive in proposing legislation to protect customers. You hear that? Opposition lawmaker says central bank was not assertive in proposing legislation to protect customers, with reports from the Jamaica Constabulary Force revealing that fraudsters have fleeced more than 300 million from commercial banks over the last 3 years. Opposition lawmaker Fix Jackson has chided the Bank of Jamaica for not being assertive as regulator in proposing legislation earlier to provide greater protection for customers of these financial institutions. And I agree with Fix Jackson. Yeah, I agree with Fix Jackson. The thing is, they do not care about the Jamaican people. They do not care about them. And guess what? Andrew Wellness no come out and come out and say nothing about it. He come out and he condemn one and two little things when he want to be seen. When every hatter claps step on him, and we are beat him bad, he always push up himself and come and condemn one and little two things. That's all he does. But really and truly, them not care about Jamaican people money. Remember, say Jamaican people, work hard for their money, You remember that, And when you see the finance minister, don't utter a word about it. That for sure, something, That for sure, something. When you have the finance minister stand up in a House of Parliament and a red card, everything, and I condemn everything, but he not condemn when the money they ain't gone missing from the bank. When the people miss their millions. You hear them talk about it because they don't want to give back the people their money, and the people them have to work so hard for their money, and nothing they not get back. So I agree with Fix Jackson when he come out and he talk, they not put nothing in place for protect customers. You see, when you hear that, I hope when the people where save the money in the bank, no say nothing, no put in place for protect the money. When you hear that, so when the money gone, it gone. So you stay there, but you not save in a bank. You better you sleep and mark that. You better you sleep and mark that. My wisdom warriors, play a fool for catch wise. You hear what me say? Play a fool for catch wise. Hear the lawmaker come out, Fix Jackson. Hear he came out and he said nothing never put in place to protect the customer their money. So everybody that is listening to me, I beg you to like and share that video, A premium content me I drop over here, I beg you to share this so everybody can hear the news, Say, money not safe, Uno money is not protected. This is the reason why uno not get back uno money, and it shouldn't be like that. It shouldn't be like that. This is why you see Nigel Clark lip tight. He not say nothing about it. Nothing he not say about it. And he not condemn all these things that is happening. Them is something outer hardness. Outer hardness, my wisdom warriors. But me only can encourage uno. Do not save at the bank. You hear what me say? Do not save at the bank. You better want to save on the money on the yard. Nobody now go know. So the money there on the yard. Unless you open up on the mouth and chat. You understand me? Wanna do the right thing. My viewers and subscribers, wanna tell me what you think and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Hear this. Over 3 million worth of fake curry seized in Mandeville. Maybe someone will hear about it. Maybe someone will never. This is why I say me I come and call, tap my little 1-2 cents on it. So the police have seized 3.2 million worth of counterfeit curry at Lynn's MD supermarket and wholesale in Mandeville, Manchester. I don't know if you don't know that the supermarket there. Anyway, one Chinese national has been arrested. Then for arrest on a backside a long time, then for do that. A long time. You know the reason why all of these things happen? Because of them a control the wharf. Yes, of them a control the wharf. If you know, say no. Listen, my viewers and subscribers, the government knows say the Chinese themselves pure fake things. They know say the Chinese themselves pure fake things. So this shouldn't even be shocking to find out say them a sell counterfeit curry. It shouldn't be shocking to nobody because a pure counterfeit they sell. Pure copycat they deal with. Pure copycat. But the thing is, them not eat it, but them are going to sell it to we black people. I want to open up on the eye, I want to open up in the eye. Them people I get away too much in our country, In a for them country, we can't do that, You didn't know that. Me ask Did you know, say we can't even have a business in a for them country? Did you guys know this? I wonder if you don't know. I wonder if you don't really know. And the government just allow them to do as them please in our country and get away with it. And get away. I want you to go to all of them shop because me sure no say in a them shop. Go all of them shop. And that's what you need to do. Go and check them shop unexpectedly. Because what them are do is wrong. Them are something not good for we, I know already so Jamaican people love them curry. Jamaican people love them curry. And I blame the government for this. Yes, I blame the government for this. And them control wharf. So how comes that they come through without inspection? Without it get inspected? Because of links. All of these things is links. You understand me? I mean, I want nobody come over here and I can't talk about everything blame government. And the government forget blame. Because they know so the Chinese them a pay counterfeit they deal with. And I like so them to know. Everybody know. Everybody. This is why I couldn't understand why you have the police they always go harass with one people when them a try us up on the street and I leave the Chinese them. Leave the Chinese them for make money and I can arrest few little brothers and sisters. That's why I'm telling us that they could never say they love Jamaican people, the government. A joker people them. You hear me? And I hope all of these things are open up on the eye. And at them me blame. Because they know say them a sell counterfeit from them eye they are them blasted knee and nothing new. And nothing new. They bring in fake rice, fake cabbage, fake every blasted thing. Fake everything. And still then give them more shops, more this, more that, more everything in our country. More than we. And it's just the truth. I have to talk. You know me already. You know you talk your mind say. Talk your mind say we have to talk with mine and don't hold back. This is the reason why I have to come out and talk my mind. Seriously. Them something is unacceptable. And I want the police them. I want the whole of UNO to go and check at each supermarket, the Chinese supermarket, them may chat. Go and check them thing unexpectedly. That's what you need to do. You just go one place and that's it. You understand? And no for Uno I get pay from China. No for Uno too I get pay from China. That's why Uno no. That's why Uno no go check the China them. That's why Uno no go search them up. But if I feel with black brothers and sisters do, they Uno running upon them long time. My wisdom warriors, Uno tell me what to think about this and put Uno honest opinion in the comment section. Come on, your phone of views upon this, Seriously. All me love my curry, All me love my curry. So all them a suck me and me not like wagwan. Me don't like wagwan, my viewers and subscribers. Sister kill people they want to kill we have slowly. Look like you don't see wagwan.
We're here this morning at 101 Manchester Road. That's M&D Lynn's supermarket, where we discovered a large quantity of counterfeit curry. And I stress counterfeit curry because most of our reports, would have mentioned sneakers and pharmaceuticals. But this morning, they're moving into the food item, which is curry. And it is a sad day for us because these criminals, I call them criminals, they have no care whatsoever about the human element. All they care about is making money.
So wait there. How you call them criminals so decent? The way how you must say criminals, I call them criminals. So the criminal them a criminal. Same thing, Mr. They don't care about. They don't care about nobody. They don't care about, not even you. They don't care about black people. Seriously, they do not care. And we have to care about ourselves and my viewers and subscribers. They don't care about we. You understand? This is why I don't understand how them come to have so much things in a few place and we can't have none enough for them. Them as something here is not right. Them as something here is not right at all. But my wisdom warriors, he must say them a move to food now. A long time them a move to food. Remember the rice, remember the cabbage. A long time them a do it. And no. Them a do it from the idea they knee. You understand me? Right there so. But to not tell me how you feel about this and put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Here, this. The girlfriend of Jonathan Dillian, the man who died after his motorcycle collided with a cow in Westmoreland last Friday night, has been left infuriated by what she claims was negligence on the part of the Savannah Lamar Public General Hospital. But listen here now, you have to know these things. So the hospital, they are very slow, especially one in Asav. Very, 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 very slow. Hey, Lord Jesus. If you have an emergency, you can't go there so. At the wrong place you go. At the wrong place you go. So I totally believe the family. I believe the family when them say it is very neglectful. I believe the family. They're very slow. And then understand when somebody meet in an accident is like, come on, it is an emergency. It is very urgent. You have to deal with the situation like straight away. You understand? They are priority. You have to deal with the situation straight away because you don't know if no internal bleeding a go on. You understand? Hemorrhage, anything. You don't know. You don't know, man, seriously. So I understand what the girlfriend is trying to say. And the hospital, they need to fix up. And no matter how we come out and talk, like, they don't care because, you know why? Because nobody now get fired from them job. Nobody now get fired. Nobody now talk to them. You know, even it's on social media. Nobody don't care. You know, health minister not give a shit. Like, seriously, health minister Christopher Tufton don't care. Don't care about the people them health. So what do you think the nurses and doctor them are going to do? One of the things that them are going to care? And one and two and few were passionate about them job. We sure like them care. Only few of them, my viewers and subscribers. You understand? You have to pray. You have to pray and say, God, I hope this person where I go look or deal with or operate for my family member. Please, God, make sure say this man, you understand, mean well. And I go help my situation. Work through this person, God. Work through this person. So this person understand my pain. And you have to try put it to God. You understand me? Because it's very weird. It's very weird. So, darling, I'm really sorry for your loss, really and truly. And I send my condolence. My condolence goes out to you. And rest in peace to Jonathan Dillian. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, you tell me how you feel about this. You tell me how you feel about this. You know me already, you know, when you come on to healthcare, you know, that is my soft spot. I do not like it. None at all what them do. None at all. Because not even Panadol they not have in a hospital, much less. You get me? And I don't know what else to say. I don't know what else to think because the only thing left for phone to go out and protest. But you don't do nothing. So what can I really say? I only can encourage you know. When you see things that happen and you don't go nowhere, you have to come together and unite. Brothers and sisters, not because you don't reach a phone doorstep. That not means that you cannot go and protest with your brothers and sisters because you don't know when that one day is coming. You understand me? I not say it's going to happen to you, know, but I'm just giving you an example. You understand? Things can happen. Just like how this happened to this youth here. You understand? Him never knows something there going to happen to him. So we need to help each other. Not because things don't reach a phone door yet, that no means that you don't have to go out and protest. Go protest for better. You understand me? For better. But my wisdom warriors want to tell me how you feel and want to think about it. Put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. On a big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.